In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed YouTube videos here in Canva. Now, there's two different ways that you can actually do this. The first way is by using the YouTube Canva app. So if we come over here to the left-hand side where it says Apps, then come up to the search bar and type in YouTube, then click Enter, it's going to be this app just here. Now, if we click on there, if you haven't used it before, there's going to be a little message saying use this app. Then once you do that, you can actually search YouTube here in Canva. So for this example, let's type in my YouTube channel called Stacking Designs. And if we click Enter, we can now go through my videos, choose the one that I want. I can click on there. Then it's going to add it and embed it here into my design. Now you can also take the ID of any YouTube video and plug that in here as well. So if we come over here to my YouTube channel, one of my videos just here, if we take a look at this URL, the ID is this part just here. So what we can do is take this, come back over, plug it into here, click Enter, and do it that way. Now I found that this is sometimes a little bit glitchy and sometimes doesn't find it. So now if we click Enter, there we go, it's found that video, and now we can click on there and embed it that way as well. Now the easiest way to do this is simply just taking the URL of any YouTube video. Again, let's go with one of mine. Let's go to Share, let's go to Copy. Then all you want to do is come over and paste that directly onto your design like that, and then it's going to embed any YouTube video that you choose that way as well, and then we can drag on the sides to make bigger, make smaller for your designs. So that's how to embed YouTube videos here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.